Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am sharing SHEIN amazing home products that are trending, affordable, and practical that not only makes your home cozy and comfy, but also make everyday life exceptional. Use search code GRRJ5 to get my picks easily. This video is sponsored by SHEIN. The first item I would like to share with you is for the household, and it is a broom and dustpan set. I needed something I could use on my stairs to remove the dust and debris with ease, and this set is doing just that. And I don't have to worry about it damaging my stairs. The brush of the broom is soft, and I love the fact that it can get in between the spindles with ease. I also love that this dustpan is a standing dustpan. I don't have to bend, so it's easy to use. The dustpan also has teeth, so it will remove any debris or dust from the broom. Now the next item I am obsessed with and need to go in and order more. It is a 3-piece set of artificial cherry blossom branches in white. These silk tall stems are approximately 27 inches in length, and they are beautiful. These florals are perfect for a wedding, a DIY, parties, a dining room table, living room, and so many other different spaces in your home. I am placing them in my entryway to greet family and friends that enter my home. And look how full and stunning they look in this space. This will definitely be on my reorder list, and I must check to see if they come in other colors. I recently found a few SD cards in my office, and this next item will come in handy. It is a Type-C 3-in-1 card reader. It can read a SD or a TF or a USB flash drive. This is bundled for Type-C interface for laptops, smartphones, multifunctional for mobile phones, and even computers. I've never used one before, and it is easy to work. It makes life so much easier of transferring pictures to my phone. This is an affordable item, a must-have that I highly recommend. Let's go in my kitchen to check out this 2-piece glass bottles with the gold pouring spout. I've washed these bottles preparing them for use. This set comes with a 36-piece label set. You can use these bottles for olive oil, coffee syrup dispensers, canola oil, vinegar, and so many other different products. This set comes with a funnel so you can pour your products into the bottles with ease. These premium quality glass bottles will hold 11.8 ounces of product. These glass dispensers are so easy to assemble, and they are very cute and trendy. These dispensers look very luxurious and sturdy, and definitely adds a touch of glam to the kitchen. We are looking at another item for the kitchen, and it is a 1-piece rotating food distributor with 6 grids. It is a 360-degree rotatable dispenser storage container. This container is perfect for rice and grains, but I also plan to use this container for snacks and the upcoming Valentine's Day and Easter. This is also great for your pets. It is very easy to fill and load. The detachable lid and large opening design allows you to conveniently fill this container. The funnel outlet and bucket design effectively avoids spillage and allows you to dispense the amount that you want and need. Now, I wish I can show you this next product outside, but it's cold and raining. So I'll show it to you indoors. It is this 1-piece Hello and Welcome rectangular coconut shell entrance welcome doormat. It is made of natural fiber and suitable for indoor or outdoor use. The decorative strip home is suitable for spring, summer, autumn, and even winter. It is so beautiful and I cannot wait to use it this spring. I would like to thank SHEIN for the opportunity to share these amazing SHEIN home, affordable, practical, and trending products that will make your home cozy and comfy and make life so much easier. Don't forget to use the search code GRRJ5 to pick up these amazing products. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. You can follow me on my other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.